Good day and welcome to my channel. This is Economical and I'm playing Automation Empire. And we're going to start a new series today and I'm going to build a mega factory in Automation Empire. This is a game I love. It is a game that you play on your own speed. You have no enemies at all, just building and making your factory more and more effective. There are no time limits, there are no quests or whatever. There is for the people who want to have a goal in the game. There is a goal. You have to make a factory that puts out 30,000 kilograms in every 3 months. It doesn't seem very much, but I tell you, this is a lot. There's another goal. When you buy the game, these four are grayed out like this. And when you win, here I just did a test run and I won the 30,000 kilo goal, and you get two maps. If you go to the 45,000 kilogram per 3 months, then you get the other two. So let's go for the other two, okay? Shall we? And I'm going to use the open space because there's all kind of maps with very rocky hills, craters, we have deserts, we have ice, we have grassy spaces, oasis, we say. Compact canyon is a very small map, snow forest, and then we have the extra map, ice edge and middle mountain. These are, I've seen them, they're pretty good. Let's go for the open space, shall we? Because I just want to build a nice factory. We go for the 30,000 first. So, load colony. No, I don't want to load. Get a new one, and I call it Tube Company. Oh, what? Tube Company. Oh, I got my caps lock in. Okay. Tube Company. And there are two ways to start it. The starter mode, if I have off, then I start from scratch. Here, there's a little bit of a factory going on. That's what we need. And the challenge mode is adding tax, and that costs a lot of money, so it slows down the game. For the video, I'm not putting this on. So let's start. And here we are in the open space. Here's our goal. Okay, so you see there's a little bit of a factory here. We have a power station. We can have 4 units of power. We can have a drone bay. Every drone bay has power for 4 drones. And this is our little factory. You see a truck, it's coming out of the entry and it's going to the pit stop. In the pit stop you can favor some resources, but all are on. They're put to high priority, but I put into medium everything. I'm not a player with spreadsheets and calculators. I just play by ear, and that's good. The truck is loaded with 6 crates and is going into the exit. And when it's in the exit, it's giving us money, like now 7,090. And this drone is loading the crates on the truck. These crates are made by the crate maker, and whatever the mining rig throws at the crate maker, it's putting that in crates. They have 5 crates already, 5 active crates. That means that there are 5 here, and every time the crates are out, it's started to 0 again. Maximum of 30. So if there are 30 crates in the game, this crate maker will stop working. So if you wonder why this crate maker stops, that's probably the case. You have 30 crates in the game. Every time this goes out, it deducts 6 from the total. Okay, I explained this when I am going into the game. This is the finance game. Here we see current 3-month weight output is still 12 kilo. It's far, far, far away from the 30,000, but we get there, we get there, we get there. Okay, now this setup is a good starter setup. I'm going to extend this line a little bit with the unload belt. Let's have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can be 4 crates here. And let's build a little bit of a loop. And we can do that with the mine tracks. The mine tracks is track rails that is put on the ground, and it's used by mine carts. Mine carts fill themselves up with what the mine rig brings up, and we are putting this in small containers, connect them to crate makers, and then a lot of stuff can be outputted more than this setup. So let's do this. Let's build this out. We have 1, 2. We have a limited amount of money, so we have to be careful. We have a track. Now it needs this, a transfer tube out to get the stuff from the mine rig into the mine cart, and the mine cart has to go under this nozzle. With R you can turn everything around like this. Okay, you have to have a straight one here because they cannot load the carts in a curve. Then we go like that. How can we do this most profitable? Like that, and then we can bring the rails to this too, but can I? No, I cannot. And there's only a way to can do it for the best, but this should suffice. This is the binary. 1 space and then 1 space and then. Ooh, can I have an S bend? I can. And it fits. So now we have a loop. The good thing about a loop is you can have as much mine carts as you want. You don't have to have some extra rail to let it go all the way up and then go back. So a loop is always better. Some continuous output. So this is also for the mine carts. We turn this around and we put it right here. And we have mine carts. Let's have 3 first. So how are we going to do this? Well, this we delete. We pause this. We delete this. The beautiful thing about this is if you delete something, 15,000, it's going to give you all the money back. So every bit of money you earn in the game, it's yours and it stays until the end of the game. The only thing you have to pay is power. we don't have taxes, so the power bill is 3,300, but the profit is 21. So no, the revenue is 21, so the profit is about 18,000. Very good. We are already on 38 kilos per 3 months. We're growing, we're coming there. So what do we want here is a crate maker that delivers the crates to here. Now, I need to have a straight, let me suck it up like that. And if I put a crate maker here, of course, that is not working. So we have to do this and probably, no, I think I can have a crate maker here. Yes. Put it here. You just know this. Look at the arrows. Can also have it to the side, but I have to have a straight line of containers. If you connect two containers, they work like two buckets of water. They fill equally. So that's convenient. Let's have an unload station with 3. Oh, okay, let's have 3. Put it to medium. Now we need power to use the crate maker. And it's set, I think. Let's unpause this. This is filling up. We have an extra card. Can we do that? No, we don't have much money. And it sucks it up into these containers, and the crate maker will do his job, and then the bot can collect them. Now, the next thing we do is have some extra drones. I have 220, so let's wait for a moment. There's no fast forward, so you have to sit your time. And now I have 2 drones to load the truck. I want to have 6, so the truck that goes in will immediately be loaded and can continue his way. You see the pathfinding between the drones is not very well. They bump into each other like this. That's not very good, but okay, they're starters. Later in the game, it will improve. Okay, now I have 4 drones, and the loading is significantly faster. Yeah. Well, it's going faster. Just take my word for it. And we need 2 drones. So we need a drone bay that is 10,000 and 4 drones. But I'm all for making this a little bit faster. Now I need a second pit stop. And that's a little bit of a problem, because if I have a pit stop and with R I turn it, and then I see this is not good enough. It's too small. So I have to have another entrance and exit, but that is pretty expensive because these things are 20,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the exit from here to there. So this is getting longer, and I can have another pit stop or 2 over there. Now the problem with the entrance is, you see the square? There must be another entrance in this square, so they need to be built in clusters. Go to RR. We don't have 20,000 yet, so it's not green, it's red. Insufficient funds, you can read, but if there are sufficient funds, I can place them. But if I want to place them here, I cannot, because it won't let us. The exit, however, the road exit, you can place it all over the map. So you can make this road as long as you want. So what we're going to do next is to when we have enough money and research done, I'm going to delete this and I'm going to put the exit into this rock so we can have this kind of road. Then we can build a factory because then we unlocked probably these two and we can build factories, indoor factories, and refine our goods. Why do we want to do that? Because now the output of iron ore is 1 kilo per crate. See, when I refine it into gold, coal, or iron, then it's 10 kilo a crate. So that's 9 kilograms faster per crate per delivery. We certainly want that. So, well, now I'm going to replace this. I stop this. I delete this. Then I'm going to replace the road exit into here. Let's make it here. And then we connect the road with it again. That is much better. Now I can put a pit stop over here and activate the stop by putting it to medium. And now a second truck can come in. Let's unpause and see how this works. This is going away and this is coming in. And I think we can have some extra drones. I can put it in bay here and 1, 2, no, I can not. And there's the other truck. And they go into this pit stop. Now these containers are getting full. So I probably need a second or a third crate maker to keep up with this delivery. 2 mine rigs already to build. Okay, that's enough for now. Let's build, no, let's build a other crate maker. So let's wait for some money. Okay, we have some money, so we are going to build some extra mine rigs. Let's bang bang and put some power to it. Have a nozzle out, RR, and have some extra minecarts because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I 3, 4, 5, and then 3 in reserve. Now these are full. So let's build some extras. Okay, now there's a little trick. If you hover over an item and you press space, it copies itself. So that's very easy. We're gonna have 3 of them. Now I have to wait till I have enough for crate makers and the line. And for you a moment, for me 10, 15 minutes, I don't know. Well, I built this. Of course, I have the number of crate makers to 3 and some extra lines, and now they are full. Crate makers are working full time. The drones are getting every crate to the truck that comes in, and every truck that comes in is immediately loaded. So yes, this is efficient. So now we have to think about something else. Research points, because yeah, I want refiners. So let's go over to this side. Here we have the iron patches. Doesn't matter in the beginning of the game what resource we use for research points generation. What do we do with research points? We can unlock these, of course, and we can make things faster. And we can have extra carts, extra claws. The trains come in faster, trucks come in faster, and all that. And you see it costs research points. We have 0. Research points are made in this research bay, and of course they have, like the entrance of the road, a square. You have to build them in clusters. So we are going to build some mining rigs because let's put up a example. You have to connect them with a transfer tube. Is that correctly? Yeah, that's correct. Of course, they need power. So let's have power. This is the research bay, power connected, yes. So the contents is 0, but the mining rig is working hard, and now it should be 1. Now it's turning the resources into research points. When it reaches this blue line, I can claim points. Then I have about 15,000 or 20,000 points. So this yellow light turns into green if this passes this line. So we have to wait. Now I need a lot of points. What do I need? 20,045. That is 65,000. And then I can build factories. So 60,000. Also, I want to make this faster so I can have my money maker go faster because this is going a bit slow. How does it move? No, it does very good. Very good. Okay, so we have to build this out too. I want to have a lot of points. So I want to have 1, 2, 3. All this in research bay. Just something like this. Yeah. And I need to have power. Oops. 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 Yeah, that's the problem. I have 46, but I deliver 40 units of power. So we need another station. Okay, we got 16 and a station's 25. But slowly, but surely, the money is coming in. So now we can afford one. We put them right here and everything is working again. Okay, so how's the situation over here? They are coping with it. It's 2140, so yes. This is optimum production. This is, in fact, perfect. Does it need some drones? Yes, I think it needs 4 drones. So let's have another drone bay. Yeah, it can fit in here. And let's have a couple of drones. See, they're going like flies to the light. Okay, let's make it a little bit because this tower is in the way. What if we delete this one and put him over here? That's more convenient, right? Yeah, that's better. That is better because they don't have a tower in the way. Okay, have some drones. 3, 4. No, not 4. No, we have 11 of 12. Okay. Well, that's good for now. That is good for now. Okay, what next? We wait for the research points. Now, you already see that one of the bays is turned green and it reaches the blue line, so we can claim them. 22,000. Okay, so we can unlock this. So we have a refiner, 10,000. But still, we need this. We also have factories. We can build factories. See, indoor. I can show you. These are the factories indoors. Now this is 3 by 5, but we can build factories 20 squares by 20 squares, and that costs a lot of money. Okay, so I think we have to save some money to build a factory, and we have to wait for research points. So in the beginning of the game, everything is a little bit slow, but okay, it's something like, oh, we need another. You know what? We need another line here. So let's make it. We have an exit, and we have some roads. Entry, not an exit, and we have an exit. But not enough money, so we wait. Like this, and the trucks are going in 2 by 2. They're filled up when they come. Look at this. We just could have, what do you call it, quadrupled our income. And you see the trucks come in, and as soon as they're at the pit stop, they are filled up with crates. So now the money should go pretty fast. And also, see, that's very nice. This should cope with that. So, yeah, this is good. This is, ladies and gentlemen, our money maker. Our money maker. So, let's make a lot of money. Claim this, claim that, and then we can unlock this. Now, this is the next thing that we will unlock on the claw train, but we need an output of 15, no, yeah, 1,500 crates every month, I think, or 3 months, I don't know. But this is what we have to output. With 1 kilo crates, that's pretty hard to get, but with 10 kilo per crate, it's going much better. So let's refine some stuff. And to do that, we have to build a little factory. Now, this is iron. What I'm going to do is build because I want to build it up here, a big factory with all these patches feeding it. But to do that, I really have to unlock these for fast loading and fast unloading. So let's keep this intact, but let's make a little factory here. I'm going to make this little factory. Let's build it up here. And I'm going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is enough. Well, let's do 7. And have some mining rigs. Have some getting closer. These. Okay, now there's a little trick because you cannot get the stuff inside without getting the train into the factory. So how do you keep this train out of your factory? Because it's taking a lot of space. Well, there's a simple trick for it. First, you build a door. Yeah, I do it here. You build a door. Then you put a small container with the opening. And you have one space left. So that's 3, 5. Okay, that's good enough. Then you put a input over here and a output over here. Then a mine track you put in between, and then you click on the tracks. It's a little bit fucky. And there it goes. The minecart goes up and down. Everything that's here is delivered to the inside. So we need to have a container here where we deliver the stuff. And that is over here, over yonder, like that. We have a little bit extra. And you get it in. And you get it out. Need some power. And I take it from here. Yeah, I connect this. Okay, now how are we going to build a refiner? A refinery? Yeah, it's 2 cards. And then you see did I do something wrong? I don't hope so. No. There's the stuff. There's the stuff. And it's getting in here. And immediately, per minecart is putting inside the factory. So I have another tube. I have a crate maker because I need crates to put it into the refiner. So now I have to have a step conveyor belt for the crates to do steps. See, there it is. And I can have 2 refineries per crate maker. And I put this transfer claw. Of course, I transfer the crate to the other line, like that. Then I put the refiners, and I have to turn them. And now it's burning the ore to the actual stuff. And there it is. We have pure iron. 10 kilos a crate. And now we have to bring it over here to sell it. So let's do it here. Here the same situation. I take a door, then put a vat. No, 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 no. You have to have one space for the outgoing transport tube. So this is getting it into the cart. This is getting it into the container. we have to have some rail and a cart going up and down. And on the other side, we have a in nozzle. Then we have a conveyor belt that is going underneath this, like that. And we need to have this on the other belt. So now, probably this goes in here, it goes in here, goes in here. Did I do it correctly? Oh, wait. I have to unload the empty crates. And I also put this one on destroy all crates. Now, when this is empty, the empty crates are destroyed, but if this is full, then this all stops. And we don't want that. So we need to destroy it. Okay, now we have to have an output to put it into the minecarts. Let's see how we're going to do this. I think we can handle something like this. Like that. Okay, and now we can build the same situation that is here. To suck it out of the minecarts into a container. Maybe we need 3, I don't know. Now, oops, there is a pole in the way. Get out of the way, please. Let's have a crate maker. Or 2, or maybe 3. And restore the power situation. Have a unload station here, here, and here. Put it into medium, medium, medium. And now the output is there. The pure iron is going into the trucks and it's going out. So now we have 9 times the kilograms. That is, so this we have 252. So probably if the iron is up to speed, we will be 1,000 kilograms per 3 months. But therefore we have to build this up. Okay, so we have to build some extra mining rigs and build a cart. Then we have to fill this factory with machines. We have to have a lot of money for that. So how does it look? Well, it looks something like this. Like this, like this, like this. Put the rigs, it's flowing into the mine carts, it's sucking up, it's put in crates. The crates are divided over the incinerators, the refiners, and they burning it from iron ore to iron. These crates are going into these vats. I had to do it in 2 lines because every 4 or 5 makes a full line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, every 4 makes a full line. Almost. But it's okay. It's more than efficient because those are empty. So this means this delivering 100% and putting out 100% and putting out 100% here. So the only thing I have to do is to stretch these lines a little bit out so the drones don't have to fly long distance like that. Okay, that's better. But now I need the trucks to come in a little bit faster. So I'm going to harvest my research points. You see, it's all green and it's 65,000, 64,200 per factory. So we got 467. Now let's make this 50,000 by. So now it's up. It's maximum speed to get in. Let's see what difference does it make. Let's see how this factory is working from bird's view, bird's eye view, and we need drones. Yes, look, they're coming in like crazy. And yeah, we need to fill them up like crazy. So we need to have some extra drones. Let's have 1, 2, 3. So that's 24. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 24 out of 24. So this needs to go faster. And it does. And in fact, we can make a third rail here. Let's make it, because there's a lot coming out. So let's do that. Let's make a third road. So we can have a little bit more money and a little bit faster. And the drones don't have to wait that much because they're waiting. And if I was a very particular boss, then I would say trucks who wait don't earn money for me. And here you see the pathfinding of the drones. It's not that good. They all go to a truck, dump 6, and then go to the next one. Okay, but it's working. See, every truck is loaded pretty fast. There's only one empty going through. So I think that is good. Now this is almost empty. You know what? We need these first. So let's put these to none and iron, because this is only iron, none, iron, none, iron, and put them to high. So these are all delivered first, and these are second. So the majority of the drones are going here. Well, these are emptied anyway. So yeah, we are making a shitload of money. I'm so sorry for saying that, but it is true. Now we can have a big build. What do we have? We have 16. We can unlock this. We have, how much do we have? 2,370 kilo per 3 months. And this needs 1,600. So yeah, that's good. Wow, it's getting quicker. So I want these claws, I want this, but I need to have iron input and coal. inputs. So I cannot build the clause already to unloading and station. But, let's have this go on and on and on. Later we're going to rebuild it into this factory, what I said at first. But first I'm going to make my initial factories. Let's build them in the middle. 366 in no time. So I want 3 factories here, and I want them maximum of 10, and I want 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's one. Then I want some space in between. Where are we? Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay. And then I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. And I want to have another one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. What? I don't have money enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11, 10. Let's wait. 160. Oh, I have 160. Come on. Okay. So this is iron, coal, gold, or, well, it don't have to be in a particular order. So now I have to build some entrance. This. Yeah. Now they have all an in. See, I can let the trains deliver here. I can have as much containers as I want here. So I can really get everything in here. And I can build this all the way down. Let's do one. Okay. Slowly but surely I get a lot of money to build this. Now let's start with 6 of them. Can have a nice start. I also have to build these. Okay, I did this wrong a little bit, so I can rebuild this like this. And then, yeah, we have to build this side and to have an outlet right here. And that's looking good. Now we have to put this step conveyor all the way up there in little pieces. Oh, no turning. No turning back or front or whatever. And put this here. Have a unload station for the empties and destroy all crates if this container is full. So probably this will work if there's power, but I'm not giving it power until we have a train loading something up. What are we going to do? I think we are going to do the iron from here. So let's build a mining facility. The mining facility is built, and we can have a train going up and down. Now, there's a little secret. Oh, it's not a secret. It's wide open. If we go to the second level elevation, the train will go faster. So, how do we do this? And we click this, go to level 2. And connect this to this. Then this is level 3. It's too high. So back to 1. And then go to 2. Connect this up to this. And connect this up to here. Get it down to the ground. And it's not connected. No, it's not good. Just one little piece. And that's it. We can have a 16 train, very long train, because here I made a in between. This is all loading this up. So I need a big train to unload this container. And it's all bringing to this container and going into the factory. Now, I always like to power this with a power station. But first, we need to get something in order here, or don't we? Let's just uh, let's see how this factory is doing. Connect this with power. I connect this with power, and I can also connect this. And okay, so now the mining rigs are working. So there's probably some stuff into the big container. Like this. Good. And there they come. Oh, tension. Is this working correctly? Oh, oh yeah, that's cool. Now I have to build a line to sell it. It's iron and there is already a iron line. So, whoops, that's a long way to go. But you know what? let this work. Working good, making money. And collect the points. I have to rebuild this like that. And then I have the train going from here to there to deliver it to the trucks. Oh, there's a lot of building needed for that. Okay, I've got an hour now. Yeah, it's okay. When I'm outside, it's doing this. I was just checking. Oh, yes, I have an hour. So, yeah, we leave it from now. And look what we built. That's a lot. And what are we delivering? 2,253 kilogram per 3. And that's 68,290 in revenue per month. Good, 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 good. We have 3,735 as a record. And this is less, so okay, well, it's okay. We are going to save this and pick it up in the next episode. If you like it, just hit the subscribe button and be a member of my channel. And if you want me to continue this work and to do it more often, full time, for instance, then make a small donation. Buy me a cup of coffee. I can buy I can pay my bills and do this full time. Thank you so much. It's appreciated every minute that you watch. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.